going to show you how you are going to create a playlist. A playlist is a collection of videos that are grouped together based on a specific topic, purpose, or theme. What can playlists do for you? Playlists help viewers discover related content easily. Playlists can increase visibility and reach a broader audience. Playlists allow viewers to watch multiple videos on a topic without searching. Creators can use playlists to structure their content, improve engagement, and increase watch time hour. If you are a creator here, you don't make use of playlists, you are missing a lot, because this playlist will help you a lot. It will, once the person enter one particular playlist, it will enable the person to see other videos, related videos. I'm going to show you how you are going to create a playlist so that it can enable you achieve all these purposes that I have mentioned. So let's go to my phone recording so that you can see how to add playlist to your video. So you are going to log into your YouTube app. Once you click on it, you are going to go to your channel page. Okay, so you see this place, they wrote switch account. Below you can see playlist. By the right hand side, as you are holding your phone, by the right hand side, you click on this plus icon. Okay, another section is going to open. Then you are going to type the name of the playlist that you want. So let me type YouTube teaching. Okay, so I'm just using this YouTube teaching as the playlist name. Okay, then after typing the name, you are going to see this place they wrote private. You are going to put it on public. Okay, so that people can see it. When you put it on public, you are going to click on create. Okay, so once you click on create, you have created this playlist. So if you want to upload your video, once you open where you're uploading your video, as you are filling details about the video, you will see where it is required for you to put the video in a playlist. So when you do that, you can save. Then videos that you have uploaded before, this is how you are going to do it. This is how you are going to add them to your playlist that you recently created. So you are going to go to your YouTube studio, and the place you are filling your details under YouTube studio, that's where you are going to add any video that you want inside playlist that you created. So right now I'm in my YouTube studio. I believe you have YouTube studio in your phone or your laptop. You are going to select the video that you want to add into a playlist. Okay, once you select it, then that place you are filling your details when you want to upload video. When you enter your YouTube studio, that's where you are going to add your playlist. Okay, you can see playlist here, so I'm going to click on this playlist. So this is the playlist we created, YouTube teaching. So I'm going to click on it and add the video that I have selected into it. You can see my playlist. So if you click on this, you have added, and you are going to click done. That is how you are going to add videos that you already have that are not into playlist in playlist. With this method I just showed you now, you can create multiple playlists and keep your videos inside them. Playlist is like a file. Okay, this is Empress Tips channel. If you find this video helpful, please support this channel by subscribing. Give this video a thumbs up.